Hey everyone! Today we've got something exciting for you. A roundup of the best Black Friday deals on instant cameras. Whether you're a photography enthusiast or just looking for a fun way to capture memories, we've got you covered. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on all things tech and photography. Now, let's jump into the deals. First up, we have the Polaroid Now Plus Instant Camera. This little gem was $149.99, but now you can snag it for just $101.38 on Amazon in the US. In the UK, it's £107.06. What caught my eye was its revamped app and creative filters, injecting a whole realm of creative possibilities. Now, if you're into hybrid options, check out the Canon Ivy Cliq Plus 2 or the Canon Zoemini S. It was $129.99, but it's now down to $99.99 in the US and £129 in the UK. What's cool about this one is its slim build, use of zinc paper, and a built-in ring flash perfect for those party portraits. And let's be honest, who doesn't love a pocket-sized camera? Next on our list is the Fujifilm Instax SQ40. Released just this year, it's down from $149.99 to $139.99 in the US and £119 in the UK. The square format film gives those desaturated, vintage vibes, hitting a sweet spot for Instax lovers. Now for those who love editing on their smartphones, the Instax Link wide printer is a steal. Originally priced at $149.95, it's now below $100 at $98.99 in the US and £94 in the UK. It's entirely controlled by a smartphone app, letting you edit, crop, and customize your pictures before printing. Plus, it has a built-in battery that can handle up to 100 prints between charges. Don't forget, you'll need to buy paper separately. Last but not least, we have the Fujifilm Instax SQ1 Instant Camera. It was $119.99, and now it's just $107 in the US and £94 in the UK. This well-built and easy-to-use camera prints onto the perfectly sized Instax square film, making it a fantastic option for those who want a reliable, no-fuss instant camera. And guess what? The price may vary depending on the color you choose, so it's worth checking out the different versions. So there you have it, folks, our top picks for instant camera deals this Black Friday. I'll leave links to all the products in the description, along with our reviews for more in-depth information. If you've used any of these cameras, share your experiences in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews and Black Friday deals. Until next time, happy snapping.